I want to introduce the ÖNCEL CNC automatic feeding EPS pressing machine. The foam product, cut to the size of 1000 millimeters by 620 millimeters, is placed onto the decorative wall panel. The machine automatically loads the product into its chamber. It applies equal hot pressure to each part during the pressing process. I want to briefly introduce the features of the ÖNCEL CNC automatic feeding EPS pressing machine. Designed with innovative technology and superior engineering, the ÖNCEL CNC automatic feeding EPS pressing machine offers the most efficient and automated solution for processing EPS materials. Fully automatic feeding system, the machine automatically drags the product into its chamber, ensuring a seamless production process. High precision pressing applies equal hot pressure to each part, delivering flawless results. It creates 3D patterns such as wood, brick, and stone. 3D pattern creation produces natural-looking designs such as wood, brick, and stone, making it ideal for decorative applications. As a perfect solution for decorative wall panel production, the ÖNCEL CNC EPS pressing machine enhances your business efficiency while maintaining the highest quality standards.
ÖNCEL CNC, innovative EPS and XPS machines, ÖNCELCNC.com.